Nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know.
They're gonna know.
How would they know?
I think I've decided for our bedroom Christmas tree that I'm gonna leave it pretty bare because I think the simple beauty of this tree is what makes it so magical. So I just started adding a few touches. I put on this real farmhousey, rustic kind of garland with the cotton and the rusted bells. And I have 2 garlands on there, and I think I'm gonna add these little woodland creatures that I had from last year and put those underneath and see how that looks, and maybe add a few more touches. So I will keep you posted on that. In the meantime, Oreo thinks this spot is pretty cozy. Oreo's wondering who these little guys are over here. I think a few of these snowball kind of ornaments will look really pretty. So I'm just gonna add a few on the very edges. I don't know, maybe I'll do like 5 of those. So this cord being visible is really bugging me. So I think I'm gonna add this little black basket and then put some pine cones in there and see if it will cover up the cord.
Chestnuts roasting on an open fire, Jack Frost nipping at your nose, Yuletide carols being sung by a choir.